Hey, I had a dream about you last night. It felt so real. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm taking you guys with me to Sikkim when I visited there in March 2021. Right now we are at a hotel in Gangtok having this yummy breakfast and getting ready to get on the road. On one side of the road there are tall green trees and far away there are beautiful mountains and we can't stop marveling at them. After traveling for about 1 hour from Gangtok, we can see snow-covered mountains. It's such a beautiful sight. It's my first time seeing snow and I have literally no words. Let's stop the car for a while, enjoy this view and then continue our journey. Finally, we have reached at our major destination for today, which is the Tsomgo Lake. It's also known as Tsomgo Lake or Tsomgo Lake. This glacier lake is one of the main tourist spots in East Sikkim and it is around 40 kilometers from Gangtok. Come on, let me show you around. We have now reached the other side of the lake. You can either walk here or take a yak ride. Let's trek a little bit and enjoy this scenic beauty. We are extremely hungry, so we are having this hot soup and yummy Maggi. And also, this is the end of this vlog, so if you want to see the rest of our Sikkim trip, do let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, and turn on the bell icon to get notifications. All my social media links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. See you next time. Bye.